This is a severe thunderstorm warning message. The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Adams County, southeastern Buffalo County, southwestern Hall County, Kearney County, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles north of Upland, or 22 miles south of Kearney, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Minden, Norman, Hardwell, Kennesaw, Gibbon, Shelton, and Wood River. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 280 and 302. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Adams, Buffalo, Holland County,